Hello smart viewers, welcome to this channel again, DET Practical English Teaching. Well, this time I'd like to direct you again how to improve your speaking skill using a short story related to the use of simple present tense. Well, we use simple present tense to express an action or an activity which happens every day or all the time. We can call it a habitual action. Well, to improve your speaking skill, you must listen to me carefully and repeat after me sentence by sentence when I tell you a short story. Alright, are you ready? Now, please listen and repeat after me, sentence by sentence. Mr. Blake works in an office 5 days a week. He starts work at 9, lunch at 1, and goes home at 5. In the evening, he usually reads or watches television. Well, do you still remember the story? Well, now please listen again and repeat after me, sentence by sentence, and you should also memorize it and retell it. Well, in the end, I will ask you some questions about it. Alright? Mr. Blake works in an office 5 days a week. He starts work at 9, lunch at 1, and goes home at 5. In the evening, he usually reads or watches television. Well, now please answer my questions. Question number 1. Does Mr. Blake work in a hotel? Question number 2. Where does he work? How many days a week does he work? What time does he start work? Does he have lunch at 12:30? What time does he have lunch? Does he go home at 5:30? What time does he go home? And what does he usually do in the evening? What about you? Where do you work? Do you work every day? What time do you start work? What time do you have lunch? Do you go home at 5:30? What time do you go home? Do you listen to the radio in the evening? Do you read your newspaper in the evening? What do you usually do in the evening? Now the last question. What time do you go to bed every night? Well, I hope that this video is useful for you. If you like it, you should subscribe, give comment and share. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.